Alrighty, today I'm going to show you how I prepare my spoonbill, paddlefish, whatever you like to call them. Once I've got them cleaned and filleted, I put them in a container in the fridge overnight. Uh-oh, I kick you off, just kicking you like a dog. Okay, pat them off, nice white chunks. Now, after I, oh, that's a little blue cat. After I chunk up my fillets, or no, I'm sorry, after I fillet the spoonbill, I put them in a big container of salt water for a couple hours, cold ice water, and let it sit there and draw all that blood and stuff out. Then I cut all the red meat off, dry them off really well, and even after you do, they still have some. Got a little red meat on that. That shouldn't hurt though. Look at that nice fillet. I'm gonna lay them out here and wash my container back out, dry them off again. There's a little bit of moisture in the bottom of that. I don't know if you can see that or not, just a little bit. So hold on. Okay, I have an old dish towel I keep around just for stuff like that. I don't want to use my good dish towels, but I pat them off nice and dry. They're already pretty dry, but they just have a little moisture sitting there overnight. These things are beautiful. Then now you can use any type of seasoning you would like, whatever you like. Me, I like a little Tony Sastrese, and so I'm just going to liberally, hit you again. Well, I'm just abusing my viewers today, aren't I? Just putting some Tonys all over that. Even the little blue cat down there is going to get some. Okay, not too much, unless you like a whole lot. Just put it to your taste. Got that little piece of blue cat. We gotta watch that backlash on that Tony's rough stuff. Come back here. Okay, I'm gonna get this side really good. Make sure you shake your Tonys up, because sometimes it'll go to the bottom. Don't inhale it either. Snorting that stuff is pretty strong. Okay, that taken care of. Now we're gonna put them back in our container. You can put them in there any way you like. I like to layer them. And it's about 9 o'clock in the morning right now. I'm preparing these for this afternoon. Now, the good stuff. Should have opened all this before. I just use a cheap bottle of Italian dressing. Where am I at here? Can't see you. Okay. Doesn't have to be the most expensive stuff on the shelf. It can. Apparently, I cannot get the lid off here. I guess I'm just weak after grief. Seriously? Week after all that snagging yesterday. Let's see. Okay. Get this lid off and I'll be right back. Okay, we're back. as I was saying, take your favorite Italian dressing or cheapest, whatever. I find the cheapest works just as good as the most expensive stuff. I'm gonna just pour. There we go. Now, we're gonna let that marinate in the refrigerator for, I like to go at least 4 hours. But today, I'm hoping to get a little longer. The longer usually gives better flavor, I've found. So we're going to have that, stick it back in the fridge. And then, when it's ready, oh, hold on, I see some stragglers here, don't want to. There you go. Now we're ready. Okay, so let's put our, okay, get them, coat all the pieces good. You might want to check on it during the day. I hate saran wrap sometimes, most of the time. Okay, we're gonna let this set. See, it was 9, probably 6, 7 hours, and then we'll come back and we'll finish this up. Okay, and we got our grill all cleaned off. After I brush it off and get all whatever off of there, wipe it down, then I'll take some PAM cooking spray, non-cooked sticking spray, and spray it. Now, before you get this far is still getting ready. So before, once you start this, go and take your fillets out of the refrigerator. They need to sit out 30-45 minutes, kind of come up to room temp, someplace in there. Not exactly, but now if it's really hot, like 100 degrees outside, 90, 100, whatever, I'd wait to take them out 15, maybe 15, 20 minutes. You don't want them to get it warm. You just want them to not be so chilled when you put them on the grill. Yes, sir. That fire is like just a little bit, and once it burns down a little bit more, then we're going to put these babies on there. Okay, I'm impatient. It's burned down a little bit more, so I'm going to get a small piece. And these don't need to stay on very long at all. There's a piece of blue cat right there. No, I think it was. Here's a piece of grilled blue cat right there. That's what you're probably only looking for about a minute on these. Probably even less. It doesn't take them long to cook. This is hot fire. By the way, this is hickory. I thought I had charcoal and I didn't, so I just busted up some hickory logs and got them on there. Boy, they wanting to curl up. They don't look, that fire is hot. The old blue cat say. Blue cat, wow. Blue cat says that's hot too. And it just doesn't take long at all. Wow. Of course, it's just almost as windy out here today as it was yesterday when I caught these. Only it's just blowing out a different direction today. The fire is really hot. Let's see that. I got need just a little bit more. We're gonna put it on the edge there so it can cool off just a little bit. I like them good, kind of golden brown. Just like if you were you were frying them. Yeah, we got no which side there. Let's add one of his buddies there. There we go. I need to cut that piece in two. Trying to find a. There we go. There we go. Yes, sir. Oh, blue cat is done. Probably if I was going to do catfish, and I've done catfish this way, I use aluminum foil. You can see I'm getting nice and got those few little burn marks. Won't hurt them at all. Where's that other fillet of that blue cat right there? No, that's another. That's another. Let's look over here. Okay, let me cut this piece in two here. That's too long. And let me get back with you when I get these babies done. Okay, we're just about done. Now, something I should have done is, like on this big piece, that whole one side, I should have cut it down the middle and had more of a strips, because it likes to curl up, and you want to make sure you get your thick pieces done. Another thing is, this is very easy to overcook. If you do, you'll have a rubber ball on your hands. So if you've grilled much at all, you'll be okay. You'll know when to stop. If you haven't, then test. That piece there is just about right. Let's get that piece and put her right down there. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. And like just a little bit more. These things will cook faster than you think. Of course, it all depends on your fire too. Like I said, this is hickory, so it's hotter than probably your charcoal is. So this is Mr. Blue Cat right here. I can see right now, that's the first catfish, that blue cat, that I've grilled like that. I've grilled redfish, flounder out of the Gulf, stuff like that, speckled trout on the grill, and loved them, but never tried blues or flatheads or anything like that. Okay, yes sir. This piece, oh yeah, it's done. Well, you can see how that's just, this piece here, this is the biggest piece. This is the one I should have cut. That's okay, because that's just about done right there. And really, this, I probably put too much Tony's on it. I really like Tony's. Stay right there. Probably shouldn't put that much on it. It's a little salty, but you know what? It's hard to get too much Tony's on there. So anyway, hey, I'm going to go in and get up the fixings to go with this, and I'm going to have me a little spoonbill paddlefish, grilled spoonbill paddlefish, and you got to try this recipe at least once. Okay, maybe go easy on the Tony's or whatever you like on there, and then put it in this Italian seasoning. Now, I had this in for 7 hours, so it's zesty Italian, and it's really zesty. So put whatever you like on it. And hey, thank y'all for watching. Please like and subscribe, and click that little bell notification next time, so you'll be notified next time I post a video. Hey, Donald, 918 Outdoor Adventures. This smoke's getting thick. I'm out of here.